I find it difficult. ماته دا ګران ښکاري. I find it difficult. I am scared. زه یریدلی یم. I am scared. He is honest. هغه ایماندار دی. He is honest. Is it yours? آیا دا ستا دی؟ Is it yours? Are you mad? پاگل یې کو. Are you mad? It's clean. دا صفا دی. It's clean. Control yourself. ځان قابو کا. Control yourself. I have no other alternative. ما سره څه بله لار نشته. I have no other alternative. Are you there? آیا ته دغلته یې؟ Are you there? I hate you. زما ته بدی شي. I hate you. Now what? وسا. Now what? What next? مهی تسا. What next? What to see? سوینو. What to see? I am not ready. زه تیار نه یم. I am not ready. Serve food. خوراک پیش کا. Serve food. Leave me alone. ما یوازې پریږده. Leave me alone. Are you going? آیا ته ځې؟ Are you going? I like both. زما دواړه خوښ دي. I like both. Charge your mobile. موبایل دې چارج کا. Charge your mobile. It took me 2 days to read the book. په دې کتاب پړاوهلو کې زما 2 ورځې ولګېدې. It took me 2 days to read the book. I can't move. زه نشم خوځېدی. I can't move. I can't sleep. زه نشم اوده کېدی. I can't sleep. I can't eat. زه نشم خوړی. I can't eat. I don't know. ما ته پته نشته. I don't know. Bring him in. هغه دننه راوله. Bring him in. I will participate. زه به شرکت وکم. I will participate. Nobody came. هیڅوک رانغی. Nobody came. The power has gone up. بجلی تلی ده. The power has gone up. Or the electricity has gone up. بجلی تلی ده. The electricity has gone up. Be careful. احتیاط کوا. Be careful. Not at all. هیچ چرینا. Not at all. یا د سرنا. Listen to me. زما واورا. Listen to me. یعنی زما خبره واورا. Do it right. دا صحیح وکا. Do it right. What to do. سوکو. What to do. I'm just coming. زه وس رازم. I'm just coming. Don't drag me into this. ما په دې کې مدی ککوا. Don't drag me into this. Don't nag me. سر را لمخورا. Don't nag me. یعنی مازغر را لمخرابوا. Nothing else. نور حسنا. Nothing else. It's too much. دا ډیر زیات دی. It's too much. You did very well. تا ډیر ښه کار وکړو. You did very well. Yes, by all means. او په هر طریقه. Yes, by all means. Go and stand there. لاړ شه او دغلته ودرېږه. Go and stand there. In my opinion. زما په رای. In my opinion. As you like. چې څنګه ستا خوښه وي. As you like. Anything else. نور څه. Anything else. Take it easy. په قلاره. Take it easy. Do what I say. چې زه څه ویم هغه وکړه. Do what I say. Look at him. هغه طرف ته وګوره. Look at him. Keep trying. کوشش کوه یا کوشش جاری ساته. Keep trying. Stay here. دلته ودرېږه. Stay here. Not a bit. لږ شانتي هم نه. Not a bit. Don't panic. یریږه مه. Don't panic. He babbles. هغه توتله دی. He babbles. یعنی هغه انحتلې خبرې کوي. Don't make me angry. ما غوسه کوه ما یا ما قاروه ما. Don't make me angry. Rest assured. یقین وکړه. Rest assured. Don't make excuses. بانې مه کوه. Don't make excuses. یا بانې مه جوړوه. It's not like that. داسې نه ده. It's not like that. Walk on tiptoe. د پنجو په سر ځه. Walk on tiptoe. Let it be. پرېږدوه. Let it be. The way I see it. په کومه طریقه چې زه دا ګورم. The way I see it. Don't favor me. په ما ملازه مه کوه. Don't favor me. یعنی په ما احسان مه کوه. As far as I can see. د کوم ځای پورې چې زه وینم. As far as I can see. As far as I am concerned. د څه ځای پورې چې زما تعلق دی. As far as I am concerned. I honestly believe that. زه په ایماندارۍ سره داسې منم. I honestly believe that. If you ask me. که چېرې ته زما نه پوښتنه وکړې. If you ask me. I know you. زه تا پیژنم. I know you. Personally I think. ذاتی طور پر زه سوچ کوم. Personally I think. Don't pretend. ډېر ځان مه ښیه. Don't pretend. It's all you are doing. دا ټول ستا کارونه دي. It's all you are doing. We are not in talking terms. زمونږ د یو بل سره خبرې بند دي. We are not in talking terms. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.